179. 179. No, don't change.
You moved it already. There's like marks on the board.
I want it, there's marks on the board because that means I know where I can go between
Yeah,
and
I
get
put
on
it back.
You got it back? Alright. Classwork 179. Our objective is to write the equation of a line given 2 points or a slope and a point. Okay? I don't really have room to write that up there, but here we go. Objective. Write the equation of a line from 2 points or slope and a point. Okay? Yeah, but it doesn't look like it's good yet on this entrance slip this morning. So, let's go ahead. I'm going to pull our graphing poster up here. Dominic, I don't think you're going to be able to see it because I can't fit it all in the frame.
Nope, Dom can't see it.
Oh, Dominic, that's
Okay.
Hey, Dom, you
Boys.
subscribe for more content.
Gentlemen, just stop talking. All right. So we've learned all of this so far. Let's go over, this quiz that we just took, this entrance slip. All right. To earn a point back on your entrance slip, you are going to have to answer it. These questions.
What if you got 100? Do you have to answer any?
Did you get 100?
Yes.
Anthony, did you get 100?
I forgot to make the 4 negative.
So you did.
Who graded this though?
This is
Nick.
that.
Nick, did you write these in?
What?
Or did you write these equations in for him?
Well, I know what I did.
All right. Let's just go
So
here.
do I have to answer any or no?
Yes.
You're going to pay attention to be on your best behavior because if you're not,
I'm just wondering.
no, I guess the answer is no. We're just going to go through these 3 and then we're going to move on and continue to go and do the evens because the evens will be graded as an accuracy grade tomorrow. I'm going to grade all of them. What? To make sure. So we've practiced and I've given you credit for practicing. Whether you got it right or got it wrong because sometimes you need to practice. Tomorrow's like game day. Right? Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we've got, it says write the slope and y-intercept. This equation is in what form? Refer back to our poster. This equation's in what form, Peter?
Standard.
Standard form. How do I put this in a form in which I can find the slope and the y-intercept? Rose? Subtract 4x, subtract 4x, and I get what, Rose?
Y equals negative 4x plus 8.
All right. What form do I now have this in? Aiden? Slope intercept form.
He's trying to reach back. Touch me.
Okay, what is the slope of my line here? Anthony?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. What is the y-intercept of my line here? Brandon? 8. These are your answers. Is everybody clear there?
Yeah.
All right. The next thing I said is that number 2, you had a slope of 5, and it crosses, or it passes through point negative 1, 2.
Your sign's falling.
What do I have to do here? All right. Peter?
2 equals 5 times negative 1 plus b.
Okay. I need to take my information here. I need to solve for b. I don't know why you guys aren't writing this down. Because not everybody got 100. Yeah?
I didn't know.
All right. So I've got y equals mx plus b. I know that this is m, this is x, and this is y. Agreed? So all I'm going to do is substitute in and solve for the missing piece. So So y is 2, m is 5, x is -1. I'm looking for b. So I substituted and I solved. 2 is equal to 5 times -1 is what? -5 plus b. What do I do? Add 5 to both sides. And I get 2 is equal to b. So who can tell me the equation?
That's 7.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Who can tell me the equation of this line? Steve? Y equals 5x. I already have my slope plus b, which is 7. That's the equation of my line. All right, the last one gave you 2 points. We have 0.08, which hopefully you noticed has something very nice about it. What is 0.08, Anthony?
That's the y-intercept.
Yeah, it's a y-intercept. Remember, so if I have my coordinate plane, this is my y-axis. If I go over 0, up 8, there's my y-intercept right there. You could have found,
It's just right there.
what?
So the answer is just in the first part of it.
Well, that's the y-intercept. But you're going to have to recognize it. Okay, it's not always going to be like that, but this one was particularly nice. Okay, so my y-intercept is 8. Are we okay there? So now, could you, what I did is I found the slope and then I knew that this is slope-intercept form. Could I, with what I've been given, x and y here, find my m without using the slope formula? I could. What could I do?
12 equals 2, or 12 equals 2x plus 8.
Mm-hmm. You didn't have to. I'm going to do it I'm going to find the slope using slope formula in a minute, but you could have done this. If you recognize, because I have 3 of my components.
Wouldn't you have 2 for x, so?
Yeah. So it's n.
So it's actually not x,
N times
it would be 2.
Because you don't know the slope.
Oh, sorry. 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 M2, yes, sorry. It's weird to write it like that. Looks really weird. Okay? So let's go ahead and balance it. So I have subtract 8, 4 is equal to m. I just wrote it like that because the slope would go there. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So m is equal to 2 also. So what's the equation of this line? Y equals, what's my slope, Peter?
2x
2x
plus 8.
plus 8. All right, let's go ahead and use slope formula, which is probably what most of you did, and that's what I did too. All right, slope formula. Look over here. Rose, what's slope formula?
y2 minus y1 divided by x2 and x1.
Okay, what did I make you say 10 times yesterday?
Like x over y, or...
Y over the change in x.
The change in y over the change in x. Remember, it's the y over x. The change in y over the change in x. How much vertical movement over how much horizontal movement? So, if I go ahead and I have xy, 1, 1, 2, 2, it doesn't matter which one's 1 or 2, you just got to keep it consistent. So we have 12 minus 8 over 2 minus 0, which is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So I got the same slope as I did right here, go in a different direction, but getting back to the same endpoint. Are we okay there?
Yes.
All right. This is what we're going to do today. Open up your book to 372. This is a big, 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 big deal. All this graphing. I can't move on until I have, I don't know, what's a good goal? 90% from everybody? I think that's fair. 75? That's like mediocre. That's like a half-baked cupcake that's still raw and gooey in the middle. That's disgusting.
Good.
Ew! Gross.
Why you just have everyone
everyone go up and tell me a problem on the board. If they get it right, then they can move on.
Yeah, I think that should
Because
be.
there's more than one way that things could be done here. Alrighty,
I like 85%.
we are in class going to trying to figure out what let me look. I'm kind of going to change a little bit from what we had before. Okay, we're going to do what I had on there today. We're going to move that to tomorrow because I have a practice day tomorrow. And we're going to start the even ones in this practice set, or in written exercises part A, and we'll go and do B tomorrow. All right, sounds good. Not that that really matters to you. All right, we're on 372. We're going to start at 28 and work our way backwards.
Why are we doing that?
Because I'm going to start with the more difficult ones here in class, and you do the less difficult ones for homework. Sound like a good deal, Joe?
Yeah.
We don't have on the board.
All right, I am going to do a few on the board, but what I really am going to do is write the process out for you. I know you guys can plug and chug numbers, not a problem. It's the process in which you are finding the answer that is what I think is the problem. Okay, so let's look at 28. Okay, 28 gives us what? What does 28 give us, Aiden?
What did you read on?
372. Written exercises.
Yeah.
All right, Rose, what do they give us?
3 and 0 and negative 2 and 5.
3, 0, negative 2, 5. They give us 2 points. So I've been given 2 points. What do I need to find first before I can do anything? Peter? Oh, I thought your hand was up. Nick?
Find the slope.
I need to find the slope. So my first order of business is to find the slope. This is 28. Okay? Find the slope. What do I do to find this slope, Anthony?
I don't know, but the slope is X.
It's negative x. Dude, the slope is 1.
Dude.
Slope formula.
Dun-dun-dun.
Positives.
Dun-dun-dun.
Oh.
The slop formula.
Dominic
Okay?
can't-
Slope formula. We have m is equal to the change in y over the change in x. Say it again.
Change in Y.
Change in
Say it
X.
again. That was not very enthusiastic. I want enthusiasm behind this.
Change in Y.
That was better. Do it again.
Change in Y.
No, that was. Okay, do it again.
Change in y over change in x.
Much better.
So we're
Okay,
just
you tell me because you haven't told me yet.
What
What?
did
change y.
All right. So, where do my numbers go? I'm not going to write it up here. I'm not going to put x1, y1, x sub 2, y sub 2. What do I do? Rose, tell me where things go.
0 minus 5.
Okay? 0 minus 5 over
And 3 minus 2.
minus negative 2.
Does it matter?
It does. Because these are constant as per my formula right here. I always am going to have minus. Now, 3 minus negative 2 is different than 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, or 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus negative 2 is 5.
Could you put negative 2 minus 3?
Still same thing. What's negative 2 minus 3?
Negative 1.
Negative 5.
No,
5.
negative 5.
Why negative?
Negative 3 minus 2. What's negative 5?
Put 2 negative.
I
If you
could,
have two
okay.
negatives, it's a negative.
Rose, I could write it 5 minus 0
If you're still-
over negative 2 minus 3. I can write it this way
Oh,
also.
okay, yeah, I got it.
So, but what we're doing here is just switching the order. It doesn't matter as long as you're consistent.
Okay.
Make sense, Peter?
Couldn't you just write 3 plus 2?
Yeah. But you gotta make sure you know what the math is here before you can do that. So yeah, it's 3 plus 2.
That's,
Okay?
I said the answer was 5.
No, you said 5. It's negative 5.
It's 5.
It's negative 5.
Negatives make 5.
3 minus negative 2 is 5.
So she said
This one will get me negative 5 over 5, and this gets me 5 over negative 5. Either way, I get -1.
I got a 5 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 0.
I'm doing the ones.
What was it?
5 minus 3 over negative 2 minus 0.
5 minus 3?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Watch. This is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. My y changed in y. I don't care if you use this one first and this one second, or this one first and this one second. Doesn't matter. But you have to use y's together and x's together.
I know.
Well, I'm glad you confessed your mathematical sin. Do it the right way.
Mathematics.
Is that possible?
Alright, so m is equal to 1. Now, what do? I would like for you to write the steps so that you have the process in your notebook so you know what you are doing. Alright, what's my next step?
Find B.
Find B. Find the y-intercept. Okay, how do I solve for B?
You graph it.
No.
Graph it.
You could.
That's what I do.
Well, I want you to do it this way. Nick?
You choose one of those, like the X and Y's, and you plug it in. And so.
So you're going to say, I have y equals mx plus b. Substitute in what I know. I know that m is -1. I don't know. Let's use this one. I always veer towards using 0 because something times 0 is 0. It's usually a little bit easier to work with. So if y is 0, m is -1, x is 3 plus b. 0 is equal to -3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides. So b equals 3. What is the equation of my line? Ada Wonky.
Y equals -x plus 3.
Y equals -1x plus 3. Negative x is perfectly fine, but I want anybody who doesn't know where that -1 came from to know where it's going.
So what's the answer?
Orange.
Wow.
All right.
Oh.
You are working for, I have a nice prize today in honor of St. Patrick's Day.
Irish coffee.
I wish I had some Irish coffee, but I hope that you don't know what Irish coffee is.
What are we doing, like a cheesecake party thing? 'Cause
I have.
Do you have Irish tea?
Sorry, no.
I wish.
Nick,
I
you
did
have
get the
Irish?
highest grade on a quiz, sadly. And
Okay, congratulations. Okay, you are working for a Shamrock sticker today.
Okay.
Okay.
So, number 26.
Go by.
Go. I will be around to look at your answer.
Done. Seriously, guys? No, I'm just
oh yeah, when she was doing.
I'm doing it from 2 to 28. I like it in chronological order.
I was just working while everyone was working.
It's not a sticker. I bought these and I have Shamrock stickers all over my house, so the leprechaun stole them this morning and they disappeared before my 2-year-old woke up.
No, that's evil.
No, it's not. It's called good parenting. All right, who's got 26? Ready to check.
I have 2 to 16.
Good job. I want 26.
I'll do it like drop some.
Here you go. I know it's bothering you not to have them in order, but I also want to see your work there, Joe.
Okay.
26? I need you to try that one more time. You use these points? I don't think so. You use something else. So you should have -2 minus 3
I have it.
over negative 3 minus -2. Okay, yeah. Well, you use 2 there. That should be 1. Does that make sense? Try that again.
Sure you checked that out.
What is that? 26? No. Try again.
I
that a negative 5?
Yep.
Should be a positive 5. Go back and fix your work.
got it.
Let's see.
Y equals 5x.
Yep, here's your sparkly shamrock sticker.
Oops, I wrote the wrong thing.
No, try again.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Put it on.
Is this right?
Alright, I have it now.
Are you supposed to write in grade?
Yes, my dear.
Because
Look
I
good
actually
on
have
my
something
tie.
green on now.
Good on my tie.
Minus
Chrissy was
3.
wearing green socks.
Negative
I was
1
like,
minus
I-
2.
Guys,
5. Good, that
so
was
this go
good.
here.
Okay, now.
Peter, you should put it as like a tie clip.
Okay,
Good.
the only problem is you have your X
Like a
and
tie
your
clip.
Y.
Alright,
mixed
I'm
up.
just moving on because.
Steve, should I put it here?
Because you put F where Y
What?
moving Y.
Yes. Wear this like a tie clip.
Alright, yeah, you're just moving. So after 26, go to 24. Keep it going here. Don't think that you're just going to sit around and hang tight. Thank you.
Oh wait, go on to 24.
Yep, like keep working. Let me get some more sparkly shamrocks.
I'm done with 26.
Yeah, I'm done with 24.
How am I done with 24?
You know.
I'm on 18.
Steve, I'm done.
Good for you.
Steve, have I even checked your 26? I did?
No.
No,
Uh-huh.
of course not. 0, 3. Oh wait.
I really hope Steve answered. Steve's all wrong.
Is this 24 right?
Hold on.
This takes so much work.
No,
It doesn't. It will get easier. You just have to practice it.
I think I'm done.
You're not done, my dear. Oh, you mean you're done with that problem?
Yeah.
Fractions.
Alright, so you're gonna use one of these points. This is X and this is Y. So then you're gonna plug in. So 3's gonna go there and 0's gonna go there. Make sense?
Let's do 16.
2 through 28 even. Yes. Good job, Ruth.
So annoying doing
Which
this.
one do you want? Green?
Nick, I'm just new.
Okay. Keep going. You're doing great. Alright, on number 24, you are gonna have fractions. Keep them as fractions. It's okay.
Yeah, hate them.
No.
Fractions
them.
are numbers too.
Fractions are numbers. We don't discriminate
Just like
against
makes a
numbers in the
person.
classroom. Alright, Dominic, I hope for number 26 you got y equals 5x plus 3.
What do you think you got for 24?
Almost. We need to reconfigure this one. So you have 9 over 4. All right, you got to subtract it. Negative 1, 3 and 1/4. Yeah, you're good. You want another sticker? Okay. Now, if I find these stickers out of control anywhere, or you get in trouble with Father Greenwald for the misusage of stickers,
Honestly, they didn't check my 26.
you'll what?
Didn't check.
Try
Who
again.
else put it on the tie?
Try 20.
You mean who else put on the tie?
Your slope is correct. Need to 28.
I already
Is
had
that
green on.
28?
Y equals a negative
Wallet.
Oh yeah. We'll do that one together. All right, try that. You need your intercept is not correct.
I don't have anything wrong.
Where are we?
Well, maybe I should pinch you later.
26
Yeah.
Okay.
minus
I'm
3.
sorry.
So where are you doing the rest of this work?
Steve.
In your noggin? No, that's just the slope. Where are you doing finding the y-intercept part?
And is it 3 and a 4?
Like this stuff. Where are you doing that? In your head? I don't. Well, I have no idea either because it's not on your paper.
Yeah, so he's.
Because that's what I'm looking for. When I come to look at your work, I'm looking to make sure that you've got work there.
Aha.
Oh.
I don't understand.
So figure it out. Put the work down there, Steve. I know we're a minimalistic society here in 9th grade.
What did I get?
Ninth
Right?
grade is
No, it's not right. Sorry.
I got number 24.
Alright, this is the deal. Those of you whom are having a tough problem, tough go here, need to maybe come in and visit me during lunch. That is the only period that we have off mutually.
I don't have lunch off because there's gonna be a concert upstairs.
Oh, well, yeah, okay. Oh, my goodness.
24 and 23.
24. Okay, let's do 24 together really quick before the bell rings.
I got that one right. But you didn't check mine.
24.
Y-intercept a fraction.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got that right then.
I think I got it.
Y-intercept? Oh. Because I'm in the concert.
You're in the concert. Good for you.
Alright, 24.
That's like 3.
What did you do for 22? 22.
Y equals 3x minus 14.
24. Negative 3, negative 1,
I had 2 others.
1, negative 4. Alright, I need to find my slope. M is equal to, here's my x, my y. So, negative 1 minus negative 4 over negative 3 minus 1, okay? So this is negative 1 plus 4, which is 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So my slope is negative 3 over 4. Are we okay there? I think you got that. It had to do when you substitute it back in. So now I solve for b. Y equals mx plus b. Alright? So I'm going to use this one because that'll make my x 1. So I have negative 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4 times 1 plus b. Negative 4 equals negative 3 over 4 plus b because I multiply here. I add 3 over 4 to both sides.
I
Seriously?
found my problem.
Aiden, okay.
No.
I plugged in negative.
Aiden, I don't think you have this correct, so I need to write these down. You do? Okay. So negative 4 plus 3 over 4. I have to write this out with a common denominator. This is like over 1. So I multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Because I need, so now I have negative 16 over 4. Don't move anywhere. Plus 3 over 4, which gives me negative 13 over 4, which equals b. So the equation of my line is y equals negative 3 over 4, x minus 13 over 4. That's the equation of my line.
No homework tonight.
Okay, got your homework written down?
I'm all done.
Stand up so we can pray.
Aiden, did you do the culture stuff? Should I end the video for Dominic?
No. Joe, just keep playing.
Hey, hold your hand.
You love the
You can pause it. I'm sorry.
Can you pray with us?
Dominic, I know, he was